Red light's on.
It's blinking. It's blinking.
These are tips that we have compiled.
That. I know, it's like, I gotta watch the circle. I gotta watch the circle.
No. Hey everybody. Pause.
Hold still. Don't move. We're recording live. Cut. Ready? And action. Look at the circle, it's curly me. Pause. I can't. I'm like, on demand. Okay.
Yes. So we are going to do 1,000 subscribers to give away 1,000 subscribers. Yes. So we are giving away 1,000 subscriber.
You are giving away.
Well, I'm giving it away today, boy.
Okay.
I'm not drinking at all today.
I wish I were.
Yes, I should be. Start all over again.
Okay, we'll do it again.
3 days later. It's gonna be a great gift pack with a lot of stuff you can lose. A lot of stuff you can lose. You can lose a lot. You can lose a lot of stuff.
It's the bag with no bottom.
Subscribe and you can lose a lot of stuff. Go ahead. Hit that subscribe button right now and see what you can lose. Your sign-in sale. Let's start it again. Let's start it again.
Inside, God.
All right. Ready? The other one was better. Do it again. Do it right.
Okay. Do you want to know a big no-no on a I'll do it again.
Start again.
I'm so good up to that point. Just I've done enough for both of us.
So far.
We're marching our way to that 1,000 subscriber giveaway.
6
more to go. Say 6 more to go.
6 more to go.
6 more to go.
6 to go.
6 to go. Hey, anytime. It's still going. I can smile for a pretty long time. We're gonna
Tipsers.
see if you can do not flush anything down the toilet paper except for the toilet paper.
Don't flush any paper down the toilet paper except the toilet.
You're making me cry. My eyes watering. Okay.
Number 45.
Editing Brad, I'm really sorry. I'm gonna say it. Okay, let me do it.
Do it again.
We're going into 51 and 60. 51 and 60. 51 through 60.
Yeah, 51 through 60.
Let me do it again. Whoa, it's a 1, 2, to the center. Okay, check out the movie that they're showing on the prom. like mine?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, those kind.
Those kind of friends.
Those are great friends.
Those are good friends.
Number 58, this is what you're gonna tell me. I'm gonna know what it is.
Number 60. Number 60. Oh, number 60.
Number 60.
Again, number 60. Number 60.
Oh. Okay. Let me fluff my hair up.
Makeup.
Pear.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining. Hey,
What
hello.
are you watching,
Hey, ho. So,
Right, ready?
hey, everybody. Thanks for joining us. We're back again. Hey, everybody. Hey, now.
Cruise Tips
That's right.
101. Or through an independent. I have to do that again.
Always checked.
And Let's do 62 again. You're Stuart. We'll walk in the steward. Stewart.
His name's-
Stewardess.
My cabin steward's name was
Cabin
Stewart.
steward. Make sure you use your do not disturb sign because you're a cabin steward.
Texas all of a sudden?
Yes, I did, by the way. La 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 la.
What?
I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Series that we do. Okay, let me do that. Number 71 through 80.
Do.
Okay. All right. Alligators, rabbits, snails. I almost forgot. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Crickets, because Brad's quiet and you can hear the crickets. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Go.
Smack myself.
Oh no, you don't.
I can do it myself.
Yeah.
I'm just here for the beer.